friends, this is Arjun, your best friend. Today I'm going to recycle this bucket with a new activity of I'm using this type of strong rope and I'm twisting it around the bucket. So now I have put the rope nicely and now I'm going to paint the bucket from outside and inside. Rope with golden color. I put some flowers over here. Now I'm going to put this plant inside this. So this is the final look. This is the look of my pot after a final touch. So I hope you liked this small video of mine. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye.